Hey,
जोई इधर आओ। जोई जोई रुक जा।
what's up guys, this is Akhilesh and right now I am in the train. Maybe the background is not familiar because this is the first class AC and this is my first time I am traveling in the first AC. Usually I used to travel in 2 tier, but never I tried to travel in first tier. This is the first time and I will just show you around. Let's see how this compartment looks. So this is my cabin and you can see the sofa. It's good compared to the trains, and this is like a kind of a curtain and a door. Hey,
जोई इधर आओ। जोई जोई रुक जा।
probably I will sleep on the top because it is written on my ticket that it's upper, and this is another. I think there will be 4 people sitting in this room, sleeping in this room. There will be 4 people sleeping in this room, and something are interesting like this. This is the light. You can close and off. If you want to read, you just open it and you read it. And we have dustbins here, and we have light. I think you can switch off the light and you can switch on the light, and with that we have a bell also if you want to call the attendant, and we got a clock also, and if somebody is using the washroom you can see the status whether it is occupied or vacant. And what else, we have some nice pictures of Chhatrapati Shivaji station. This is the view. That's it. This is the cabin, and I will be reaching Bhopal again at around 9 in the morning.